That's good. I'm gonna go around outside the window. When the light turns on, I'm gonna get a shot. Taylor's gonna get a floor shot. Teresa's gonna turn the light on. This whole thing's gonna go viral like the Glitter movie. And we're gonna become rich on Christmas morning. The glitter box where the guy's packages are getting stolen, so that's what. Where's the bacon?
Let's see how this works. So you just roll out of bed. We got him.
Oh yeah.
See that down there? I don't know. Taylor, Diesel.
Oh, we got these locked up.
We got him.
Dude, it's gonna work.
You okay, Christian?
Dude, it's gonna work.
You okay, Christian?
It's gonna work.
Well, the problem is Amazon.
You're blinking off, huh?
I got mine off. Yeah, I didn't program dead. So we got 30 minutes last night to connect it to my phone. So yeah, we've got bacon, we've got cinnamon rolls.
Ooh.
Neither of those have been used. Oh, this is also your birthday present. It's
That's why you gotta get the screen and do all the settings on the GoPro.
I know. That device is from Cafe Tutu Tango. It's called Monkey Bread.
Oh, I've had
It's
that.
cooked in a cast iron dish.
And I hurt my hand with the floor.
That was two.
We got
I
it.
aimed for the biggest balloon and just dove on it. It didn't
That's the
support-
thing. You didn't spread out your
didn't
weight
support
enough.
any weight.
When do you want this cinnamon roll?
I thoroughly expected those balloons to hold me off the ground.
We got him.